What I want to convey today is that a lifespan of 79 years is indeed very short.
Elepi-chan.
Hello there, it's Elepi-chan. Welcome to the House of Divination, Arcana Realm. Today let's take the opportunity to rethink your life and delve into how much free time you actually have in your lifespan. Listening to what I have to say, you'll be able to contemplate how much time you really have for yourself, beyond sleep and work. This will help you think about how you want to live the rest of your life. First, let's understand the length of our lifespan. The average lifespan of Americans is 79 years. For Japanese, it's 84 years for Indians. It's 68 years, and the shortest lifespan is in Sierra Leone, where people live to be 50. If we assume a lifespan of 79 years, and you sleep for 8 hours a day, roughly 1/3 of your life is spent sleeping, leaving about 53 years of waking time. Once we know the average lifespan, we'll subtract the time spent as a student and at work to calculate the remaining time of life. It is said that elementary school students spend about 1,200 hours a year in school. Most students in the United States go from kindergarten to high school and then to university. In that case, the time spent in school amounts to about 3 years, so your free time is reduced to 50 years. And if you get a job working a typical full-time job for 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week for 45 years, it amounts to approximately 93,857 hours. Including commuting time, this is equivalent to about 12 years. With this, your free time is further reduced to 38 years. We also spend a lot of time in various activities in our daily life. It is said that a typical person spends 8 to 10 years of their life doing things like cooking, cleaning, eating, and caregiving. Therefore, your time is further reduced to 28 years. After that, if you retire at 63, you can spend about 16 years of free time. All this discussion assumes if we were to stay healthy all the time. Most people from birth have been sick or injured at least a few times. Especially as we age, the likelihood of getting sick increases. According to some statistics, 68% of people over 65 suffer from some disability or illness and undergo long-term treatment, so those 16 years may not really be free time. If you become bedridden in a hospital due to some illness, the total free time we have is only about 12 years. Illness is beyond our control, but there are also things where we voluntarily waste our life's time. For example, spending your days off idly playing with your smartphone. If you spend 5 hours a day on your smartphone, it roughly amounts to 18,249 hours of your life, which is about 2 years. Furthermore, if you spend 2.5 hours a day watching TV or Netflix from the age of 15, it's 57,933 hours, about 7 years of your life spent watching TV. So the time you have left to freely use is only about 5 years. Does it make you sad? Shocked? Perhaps even angry? It's natural to have various emotions surge up. What I want to convey today is that a lifespan of 79 years is indeed very short. Time passes by regardless of our will. So, even if we spend 12 years of our time on work, what about a job that's fulfilling? Also, if we spend 8 years of our life cooking, cleaning, eating, and caregiving, and it leads to good health, we can gain a lot of time if we don't fall ill after retirement.
Elepi-chan.
By the way, do you have a job you want to do in the future? If so, you might want to hurry. It is said that it takes about 10,000 hours to reach a professional level in anything. If you have at least one big dream in your life, I hope you pursue it regardless of what others say, because life is really short. But that doesn't mean you should quit your job or school just because you don't like it. Self-improvement leads to joy later on and is important for fully enjoying your free time. What matters is having a firm consciousness of spending your time. If we only have 12 years of free time, it translates to 105,120 hours. What will you accomplish with this time, and what will you grasp? What we discussed today provides an opportunity to think deeply about the value of time. Our lives are often buried in the business of daily activities, but what's truly important is how we use that time. Your life is your own. Without being swayed by others' expectations or social pressures, you should use your time based on your own values and dreams. And by consciously managing your own time, you can lead a more fulfilling life. Find your special time and cherish it, as it's the key to happiness. If my talk today can be a catalyst for positive change in your life, that would be wonderful. That's all for today. Thank you for visiting Arcana Realm. I hope your life is filled with happiness every day. How do you want to spend your time? Please let us know in the comments how our conversation impacted you. If you liked this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for spending your precious time with our video. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.